Hey guys, Brett here, and the moment has finally come. I'm going to show you how you can make any amount you want online in just a few seconds. And it's just so easy that literally anybody can do it. You're not going to believe how simple this is. And even better, the earning potential, the amount of money you can make is literally unlimited. You pick the number and you can make as much as you possibly want. So let me go ahead and show you how to do it. So here I am, I'm logged into my JVZoo account, and as you can see, I haven't earned any affiliate sales yet. And unfortunately that happens. Some days you make a lot of money, some days you make a little money, some days you make no money at all. Today I haven't made any affiliate sales, but we're about to change all of that. And I'm going to make $1,000 in affiliate sales right before your very eyes today, right here on this call. Let me go ahead and show you exactly how it's done. This is going to absolutely blow your mind. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go down here where it says affiliate earnings 0. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to right click on that. And then I'm going to go ahead and click on inspect. Now I'm using the Chrome browser. It may be different depending on the browser you're using, but this is generally how it's done. I'm going to go ahead and click on inspect. And then over here you can see where it says $0. I'm going to go ahead and change this to 1,000. Now look at that, boom, I've earned $1,000 instantly. Look how easy that was. Now we gotta go ahead and we gotta change this gross revenue because that doesn't look like it matches. So we're gonna go and inspect that, and we're gonna change that gross revenue to $2,000 because generally speaking, affiliate commissions are half, so $2,000 gross revenue will get me a $1,000 in affiliate commission. I'm gonna go ahead and change that. And of course, we can't make this money if we don't have any sales. So let's go ahead and change the sales number here as well. We'll go ahead and change that sales number. We'll say that that was 125 sales. All right, that sounds good. And now the last thing we need to change is visitors. Because obviously, we didn't have any site visitors. How do we make sales? So let's go ahead and right click on this. We're going to inspect that. And we're going to say that we made this from 472 visitors. You always want to pick an off number. You don't want to pick an even number because that doesn't look real. So we're going to call this 472 visitors. And bam, like that, I made $1,000 right here on this call. $1,000 in sale, $2,000 in gross revenue, 125 sales from 472 instant visitors that I just got as we're talking. Now, this is not just limited to making money though. You can do even cooler stuff with this. Watch me rank #1 for Google for a high target, high value keyword. Let me go ahead over to Google and I want to show you how this works. This is going to blow your mind. All right, so I'm going to go over here to Google and you can see I'm actually searching for how to make money online. And the #1 result is from a site called NerdWallet. But we don't want that. That's not good enough. We want my site to be #1. So let's go ahead and right click on that. We're going to check that out. We're going to inspect this and we're going to change that to Brett Ratecky. All right, now we're going to go ahead and change the URL. We're going to inspect that. We're going to change that to my website URL because it's just unacceptable that it's somebody else's. Let's change that to brettratecky.com. Okay, and now we don't really like NerdWallet's link there, their little icon, so we're going to change that to my own icon, my own link. Let's go ahead and change that. So we'll go ahead and just right click on that. Let's see, we're going to, okay. All right, and my icon looks like kind of crap in there because it's not really designed for such a small icon, but it still looks good. It looks a little bit better. It certainly looks good. And you can see right there, instantly, I just ranked #1 on Google for the hard to rank keywords, how to make money online. I've done that live on this call instantly like that in seconds. Now, obviously, this is all bullshit. Obviously, the money that I said I was going to make is bullshit. Obviously, the ranking is bullshit. The point that I'm trying to make in this video and the last video that I made is that income proof doesn't mean a damn thing. A lot of times people go to these bullshit products, especially like these $7, I mean, let's be honest, Warrior Plus products, They've got these high income proofs. Look at all the money I made. It means nothing. It takes seconds to make a fake income screenshot. What's even cooler, as a scammer, is I can go ahead and save this now. I can leave this open in another tab. I can show this on a webinar, on a live call, and it looks like it's real. This looks like I'm on the browser. I am on the browser, but it doesn't mean I didn't edit it before the call started. Every day I see people spending thousands and thousands of dollars cumulatively on bullshit products that I know are absolute nonsense because they see these high, exciting screenshots or these videos showing, look at all the rankings I got, the money I made, whatever. And the fact is, it's so simple to fake that you should never believe any of it. Never, ever buy a product because they have income proof or screenshots or ranking proof or even showing stuff on videos, because it's all too simple to fake. It means nothing, it's worthless, and you should give it that much value in your purchase consideration. The value of nothing, it's worthless. Alrighty guys, thank you and enjoy.